Creating a successful sales career depends on several key psychological traits, and in this video, I'll show you one of my favorites.
Mark Rodgers for Dealernews magazine. Sales success in 60 seconds or less.
Building a successful sales career really depends on an ability called delayed gratification. Not every customer communication results in a sale. Not every CRM entry results in a commission. But if you keep doing the right things at the right time, eventually you will earn a huge return on your investment. Developing your ability to delay gratification is really a personal psychological practice. For some, it's finding immediate rewards in the process, like joking around and cutting up with customers when you're on the phone. For others, it's finding self-satisfaction in a complete and organized CRM entry. For others, it's the gamification of your day. You set a number on calls or contacts, and then what you do is you try and beat that. If you do what you need to do when you need to do it, there will come a day where you'll be able to do what you want to do when you want to do it. Now, go sell something, will you?